Hello Tamil Nadu people. In this video I am going to explain the best alternative apps for Dream 11. The names are Bat Ball 11 and MyFab 11. In this video I am going to explain the features and specifications and the uses of MyFab 11 and Bat Ball 11 as well as. Okay, so watch the entire video, get the details. If you are interested to join in these apps, just check the description below. You will get the links as well as referral codes. While registering in these apps, you have to use referral code to get such bonus amount. Okay, so let's start. Sorry. See guys, this is the MyFab 11 app, which is best alternative app for Dream 11. Okay, better than Dream 11 according to commission based, withdrawal based, so many things. So I am going to show you how this app is better than Dream 11. So just click one match and check the context as well. Here you can see winner takes all. Okay, in the Dream 11 this contest will be 2,999 rupees, but in this MyFab 11 2,749 rupees. You are going to save 250 rupees around in this app if you play this league, and extra bonus also applicable. That means you can save more 100 to 200 rupees. That means at least you will save around 500 rupees on this league, as well as so many leagues are this type only as compared to Dream 11. Okay, so if you interested to join, you can use bonus amount not only in GL as well as you can use in small leagues also. See the bonus amount 5% you can use. Okay, I will give this app link description, so just click it, download it, join it, use the referral code to get bonus. Okay, now let's see Bat Ball 11. So guys, this is the Bat Ball 11 app, and which is another one which will be the better option alternative to Dream 11. So this will be also same as MyFab 11 compared to Dream 11, which is low commission based app. So you have to click the app. So check here, you can check knockout leagues, see the amount of leagues. See, in the Dream 11 this contest will be 387 rupees, but in Bat Ball 11 363 rupees only, and you are going to save in this app 24 rupees per match, per league on this app. So try to understand, these are the best apps, low commission based, fastest withdrawal, instant payment to bank and as well as Paytm also. So just install, join and enjoy the matches. If you have any doubts, just comment below, I will answer you. Thank you, Tamil Nadu people.